Okay, here you see my Windows 11 system, and it's got the AMD Ryzen Z1 processor, very robust processor, and can handle AAA title games, and it's got that 3.2 gigahertz clock speed. My grandson plays in his own account, a regular account, but he began to complain about getting low FPS, 7 to 10 frames per second playing Roblox. I was very skeptical at first, but when I got on the system and tried to play some gaming titles, I realized, no, holy cow, he's right. This thing is dog slow. Now, the issue has been resolved, but I'll step through what I did to resolve it. I've seen Windows performance tuning videos that go through a whole slew of things to try. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go cut right to the quick, because this is something that can happen to your system if you're finding it getting insufferably slow. It may be that your indexing has been messed up, and that'll happen with Windows updates randomly. So let me show you what I did to rebuild those indexes. So I right click on the Windows icon, I select System, and then after that I click on Privacy and Security, and then down here you see where my mouse cursor is, Searching Windows. I click on that, and indexing status classic is fine. I go to related settings and select advanced indexing options. And when that pop-up appears for indexing options, I click on advanced. And here you see rebuild. Just go ahead and rebuild it. And since it's classic mode, it shouldn't take very long. And it will let you know when it is complete. Okay, we can see now that indexing is complete. So maybe I got the count wrong on the number of items indexed, but it is complete now. And if your system has been experiencing very sluggish performance, long boot cycle, long time to log in once you do put in your password, poor performance on applications or games that you run, it could very well be as simple as simply re-indexing. And as I said before, Windows updates will from time to time mess up your indexing. So it's just a good thing to do in that event, and hopefully that'll be all it takes to get your system working again the way it should be. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, appreciate a like and subscribe.